Manually removing catalytic converters the age-old way can be a difficult and labour-intensive process, whereas AutoDrain's AutoShear is purpose-built to remove valuable catalytic converters quickly and easily. Just up, over, and cut. The AutoShear comes complete and ready to use, with a power pack and a 5-metre hose. First, turn on the power supply. Make sure the blade is central before cutting, and ensure that you cut at least 20 millimeters away from the welds. Let the exhaust pipe take the weight, and cut in an upward motion. Pulsing will prolong the blade's life. Try to cut slowly and in stages, as this will be safer and easier. It will also prolong the life of the AutoShear blade. Please do not use the AutoShear to cut body panels or solid items, and remember that side pressure will cause the blade to break. The AutoShear is easy to use, and unlike other catalytic cutters, requires no special training or tools to maintain or replace the blades. The simple, robust design promises a long, productive working life with a sure return on investment.